How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to use salt in spiritual warfare against witches, warlocks, and dark magic. That's the title of this video. Salt has been used in spiritual practices and rituals for centuries, valued for its purifying and protective properties. In spiritual warfare, particularly against witches, warlocks, and dark magic, salt is often employed as a powerful tool to cleanse, shield, and banish negative forces. So, in this video, I'm going to give you key ways to use salt in spiritual warfare against these witches, warlocks, and dark magic, against these malevolent influences. Number one, salt as a protective barrier. One of the most common uses of salt in spiritual warfare is to create a protective barrier. By sprinkling salt around your home, property, or sacred space, you create a boundary that is said to ward off any negative or harmful energies, including witchcraft or dark magic. Salt is believed to absorb and neutralize these forces, creating a shield of protection. Salt in spiritual cleansing. Salt can be used for cleansing rituals to rid yourself, your environment, or your possessions of any dark energy or residual magic. By dissolving salt in water and using it to wash your hands, face, or objects associated with negative energies, you can purify and release the influence of dark forces. This purification process is said to help break the bond of any witchcraft or curses. A powerful practice in spiritual warfare is casting salt in the four corners of your home or room. This is believed to fortify the space against evil spirits and witches. The salt forms an energetic boundary, preventing the entry of malicious entities or harmful magical influences. Salt water for spiritual bathing. Salt baths are a popular method of cleansing the aura and protecting against dark forces. Adding salt to bath water is believed to draw out negativity, hexes, and curses, leaving the person feeling spiritually purified and revitalized. It is recommended to focus on your intention for protection during the bath and visualize the salt absorbing and neutralizing any dark energy. Creating salt circle for protection. In spiritual warfare, creating a salt circle is an ancient technique used to invoke protection and sanctify an area. You can form a circle of salt around yourself, your home, or even an altar to shield yourself from any magical attack. This ritual is done before engaging in prayer, meditation, or any spiritual work that requires heightened protection. Salt as a spiritual offering. Offering salt in ritual or prayer can be a way to ask for protection from dark forces. Salt is seen as a purifier and a symbol of spiritual strength. By offering salt to deities, spirits, or ancestors, you can invoke divine protection from negative energies and ward off witches or malevolent entities. You can also use salt to break curses. Salt is considered a powerful tool for breaking curses or hexes that have been placed upon you. One method involves taking a pinch of salt, holding it in your hand, and speaking prayers or affirmations of protection. By casting the salt into the wind, you are symbolically releasing the curse and dissolving the negative energy attached to it. Salt and fire for protection and purification. A potent combination in spiritual warfare involves using both salt and fire. You can burn a small amount of salt in a safe container, such as a fireproof bowl, while invoking protective prayers. This act is believed to release the salt's purifying properties into the space, neutralizing harmful magic and cleansing the area from any lingering dark energies. Salt and herbs for protection bags. Many spiritual practitioners combine salt with protective herbs, such as rosemary, sage, or lavender, to create sachets or protective bags. These bags are then carried or placed around the home to shield against witches, warlocks, or any form of dark magic. Salt draws out the negative energies, while the herbs further enhance the protective properties. Salt and black candles for protection from witches. Another way to use salt is in conjunction with black candles. Black candles are commonly associated with banishing and protection in spiritual practices. By sprinkling salt around the candle and focusing on your intention, you can amplify the candle's power to cleanse and protect your environment from malevolent forces such as witches and warlocks. Salt in prayer for banishment. Using salt during prayer or ritual work can heighten the effectiveness of spiritual warfare. You can sprinkle salt on a prayer cloth or hold salt in your hands while invoking prayers of protection, asking for divine help in dispelling witches or dark magic. The salt acts as a catalyst for intention, helping to manifest spiritual protection and purification. Salt in the use of amulets and talismans. Salt is frequently incorporated into the creation of protective amulets or talismans. A small pouch containing salt and protective herbs combined with personal prayers is believed to hold strong energy against any negative forces. These talismans can be carried on your person or placed near your bed to ward off witchcraft, curses, and harmful magic. Salt for psychic protection. Salt can be sprinkled around your body or placed on your altar to create psychic protection. The salt is said to act as a shield, preventing psychic attacks, astral intrusion, and malevolent energies from penetrating your aura. Regular use of salt as a protective tool helps maintain your spiritual boundaries intact against dark magic. Using salt to detoxify your home. In spiritual warfare, maintaining a clean and protected living environment is key. A common method involves sprinkling salt in every corner of your home, especially near entryways and windows. After allowing the salt to sit for a day or so, you can vacuum or sweep it up, symbolically removing all negative energy and preventing further magical attacks. Salt can also be used to enhance intuition and spiritual insight during spiritual warfare. By consuming salt water or placing salt on your body during meditation, you can strengthen your ability to detect hidden magical forces or spiritual attacks. This heightened awareness helps in recognizing and blocking the work of witches, warlocks, or dark magic in your life. In summary, salt serves as a versatile and powerful tool in spiritual warfare, especially when dealing with witches, warlocks, and dark magic. It can be used to protect, cleanse, purify, and strengthen your spiritual defenses, ensuring that you maintain control over your energetic field and stay safe from harmful influences. When used with intention, salt becomes a force of protection, neutralizing negative energies and fortifying you against any dark powers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.